Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is January 15th, 2019. Shout outs to my man Lake GS. I hope I'm saying that correctly. He wanted me to play some Marvin Gaye Funky Space Reincarnation. He said it feels like it'll be 2073 before we get down on the moon again. Hey, not that long, brother. Keep the faith. Cryptos will be back soon enough. Hey, not all the cryptos will head to the moon with us this go around, so you gotta pick wisely, in my opinion. So what's good, people? Hope you guys are doing well today, and welcome to another episode. And so today we are going to be looking at Cryptopia. They've had a hack, guys. They've been hacked, and it looks like they're still under maintenance after this hack. And then secondly, we're going to take a look at EOS again, guys. I got to highlight that EOS is really doing things, really making moves. Their dApp usage is really taking off, and we'll take a look at some stats on that compared to other smart contract blockchains right now. So those are the two things we're going to cover on today's episode. But first, get over to cryptoblood.io. Trading signal is still live, 366 for 3 months. And last year, we ended the year strong with a 309%, 308% return, or almost 310% return for 2018. And as of going live with this particular trading system on November 11th, we are currently up around 72%, 76%, and that's without any fees involved in there. If you add in a 0.15% round trip commission per trade, we're looking at around 50-something% return in just 2 months. So I'm going to post officially the 3-month performance of this algo next month, February 11th. We'll post the results on that. But yeah, check it out, cryptoblood.io. Let's take a look at this market cap. We are currently at $122 billion. Bitcoin dominance is at 52.47%. And again, we kind of flatlined after that pop back above the $120 billion market cap range. So we're trying to figure it out, people. No real clear direction yet. But as of right now, you know, we're just kind of in a limbo. So it looks like we made a pop up and we're starting to fade a little bit here at this point. And again, if we don't get above, and I drew this line before, but somehow it got deleted because I don't think I saved it. But this line here is where we need to get above. This was a previous support area. So previous support broken here becomes future resistance. So we need to see some type of movement to the upside above 36.71 to make any meaningful move to the upside. So let's see if we can do that. But let's take a look at that first article out of Crypto Ninjas, and it's really just an article covering the email that was sent out, or message sent out from Cryptopia after its hack. So it says here, the New Zealand cryptocurrency exchange Cryptopia remains in maintenance mode early into the morning local time on Wednesday as the company sorts out a reported hack. The incident was announced the prior day by Cryptopia's team on their official Twitter account. As the situation plays itself out, the exchange promised to provide all mattering updates to its users. The Cryptopia team left the following message after the hack. It says here, we apologize for the delay in keeping you updated and appreciate your patience. As of yesterday, January 14, 2019, the Cryptopia exchange suffered a security breach which resulted in significant losses. Once identified by staff, the exchange was put into maintenance while we assessed the damage. Staff then notified and involved appropriate government agencies, including the NZ Police and High Tech Crimes Unit, who are jointly and actively investigating the matter as a major crime, and they are assessing us with advice. Until this has been carried out, the crypto exchange will remain in maintenance mode with trading suspended. We are committed to getting this resolved as quickly as possible and will keep you all updated every stop of the way. Well, that's not too promising. That doesn't sound good at all, guys. But hey, again, this is what happens when you have centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. And you're going to continue to see this. Even the best of them will suffer from these types of hacks. It just is what it is. So make sure you guys keep most of your coins off of these exchanges, other than when you need to swap them out for other coins. You got to keep those coins off of there. Proof of keys should have helped you initiate that. But yeah, this is sad, and I'll let you guys know what happens with this exchange when I get an update. And it's funny because Binance just got some heat for essentially suggesting and recommending that users keep their coins on the exchange. I don't know why they would ever say that, but hey, it is what it is. But just make sure you guys stay safe out there and keep your coins off of these exchanges. Don't matter how good they are. Keep them off. Second article is out of Crypto Briefing, and it is about EOS. And it says here, dApp to the future. EOS rockets as usage lifts off. Today's rally was short-lived, but EOS is holding steady as the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Over the past month, the coin's value has grown by 25%. And it says here, one catalyst for EOS's rise could be its dominant position as a platform for decentralized applications, with gambling fueling much of the volume. Most recently, the community buzzed over a smart contract fueled version of Texas Hold'em for EOS-based bets. Redditors are divided, however, over the fact that the game's code isn't open source. While Tron may be the loudest blockchain, they are second to EOS in user adoption. EOS is home to the top 3 decentralized applications based on the number of users, according to Dapps Radar. Despite the rivalry, EOS and Tron have a lot in common. Both use a delegated proof-of-stake consensus algorithm to validate thousands of transactions per second, which explains why they are so popular for Dapps. DPoS algo, might I add here, guys, is an algo created by Dan Lermer. So it's funny how Tron is using that same algorithm. The most used EOS-based dApps are PRA Candy Box, EOS Knights, and EN Bank, the latter of which is now neck and neck with Tron's Epic Dragons. With more than 10,000 users in the last 24 hours, ProChain's PRA Candy Box is an ad network that rewards users with airdrops. Not to be outdone, Tron is planning a distribution of its own. Justin Sun recently announced an airdrop of BitTorrent tokens. Unlike EOS's, Tron's strength is in transaction volume, as evident by TronBet's 24-hour transaction volume of 41.1 million or 1.6 billion TRXs. By comparison, EOS-based DICE has a daily transaction volume of barely 11 million. The cryptocurrency exchange Huobi recently announced the trial launch of its EOS exchange with BTC, ETH, and USDT trading pairs. And as Crypto Briefing previously reported, Huobi also expanded to EOS derivatives contracts, giving traders the ability to take both long and short positions. Meanwhile, Bitfinex, another leading marketplace, has plans to launch a dedicated EOS decentralized exchange. Bitfinex CTO revealed that the launch of the EOS Finex is currently planned for February 15th and definitely Q1. EOS may not have been able to hold on its gains today, but as long as it can hold on to its users, the community has something to brag about, to Justin Sun. So I like the rivalry. I like the competition between Tron and EOS. This is good. I love to see this. And, you know, iron sharpened iron, and you'll see these two definitely go at each other to make each other better, in my opinion. At the end of the day, there won't be just one 3rd generation blockchain that just is the end all be all. You'll have multiple ones for various people. So don't just think one will be the one that takes it all. You know, you'll have various 3rd generation blockchains that will be able to really make changes and improve this ecosystem here we call blockchain. So you guys let me know your thoughts about this whole EOS Tron rivalry. Which one do you guys prefer, and which one do you think by the end of 2019 will be the top dog? I'm really looking forward to personally seeing blockchain and gaming more so like console gaming integration with blockchain. And you know, you have the former CEO of Blizzard Activision working on an EOS specific platform where it will be tied to console games. So that's going to be exciting to see. But just keep in mind, one thing in this article I want you to just keep in the back of your mind is that Bitfinex will be launching their own exchange, EOS exchange, by February. It looks like February 15th. So you will see an uptick in volume and subsequently, I think, an uptick in price of EOS and all of the tokens that are on that platform. So you may want to use that as a trading opportunity to buy in ahead of that announcement and make some money there. So that's pretty much it though for today, ladies and gents. Thank you for checking out this episode of My Two Satoshis. Shout out to my man again for the song request, Marvin Gaye, Funky Space Reincarnation. It's your boy Crypto Blood. It's My Two Satoshis for January 15th, 2019. I'm out of here, people. Holla!